chanterelle mushrooms with Sportown News. So we're taking a walk in the old growth forest. Is it the chanterelle that is rare? Or is it the old growth forest that is rare? I'm looking to commune with the old trees. It's a smooth chanterelle. Sometimes they grow in small clusters. That's a little rare to see. You don't have a knife. You can pluck them up, but be sure and remove the dirt. You might find cinnabar chanterelles or golden chanterelles. Here are some pictures of cinnabar mushrooms. They can appear a variety of ways depending on their stage of growth and location. They have false gills or ridges, which can be confusing. But a smooth chanterelle is a little easier. And when you peel a chanterelle open, it should have a white center, a very key feature. If it's firm, then it's fresh and good. If it feels soft or hollow, some bugs got there. These smooth chanterelles have been cleaned and inspected and prepared for a hot, dry metal pan. I'm cooking out the mushrooms' rain and water content completely. And then I will add some nice quality butter or fat to caramelize the chanterelles. Cook them low and slow. And don't hesitate to let them develop a nice caramelization. Smooth chanterelles are one of my absolute favorites, and some popular mushrooms do not agree with me. If you are a little late to the chanterelle fruiting, then you might find black trumpet mushrooms or a beautiful maitake mushroom. So good luck, and thanks for watching Sportown News.